Hello friends, welcome to my channel True Knowledge. Today our topic of discussion is which stream of engineering you should pursue. So if you are someone who is interested in pursuing engineering in the near future, and if you are not able to decide which stream is best for you, this video is going to be very useful for you, because here I am going to share some important information which is going to help you in making decisions. So please watch this video till the end and share it among your friends who is going to who is interested in pursuing engineering next year. So suppose if you are someone who is a very analytical minded person, or if you are someone who is interested in technology, or if you are someone who is interested in understanding the basic mechanics. Okay, so this thing you need to understand that whatever the quality you possess, if you think that you are someone who is interested in machines more, and if you just want to understand how they are working and what are the working principles and what are the different technologies that has been adopted by the people of this era. Okay, so if you are someone who is interested in engineering, then and you think that you can go for the core engineering subjects like electrical engineering or mechanical engineering, and if you think that these topics are really interest you, then you should do engineering on those subjects. On the other hand, if you are someone who is more interested in computers and learning softwares, how they usually works, and how which computer program that really is usually which is followed by today's modern technocrats, then you can go for the computer science engineering or the IT sector. So is really depends upon you which subject that really interests you. So basically, suppose if you are someone who is interested in pursuing electrical engineering, then you can go for the electrical engineering. Basically, I think electrical engineering is for the people those who really want to understand like the like how this electricity and how this transmission distribution system works, or how this we generate electricity and whatever the things that is necessary. So that really depends upon you and your understanding on the subject related matter. So prior understanding on the subject related matter is going to be helpful. Along with that, and if you are going to do engineering, I think people should understand the fact that uh, understanding a particular mechanics and understanding a computer program is totally different. And if you are interested in pursuing engineering, then you can just try to understand your basic qualities that you have. Okay, so if you are good in numbers, if you are good in computer programs, then you can just go through the computer science engineering or the IT engineering side. And if you are someone who is interested in understanding the core principle and the core subjects, then you can go for the core engineering subjects like the mechanics and electrical engineering. So if you are someone who is understanding is very much about the learning mechanics of machines and all this thing, then you can go for the core engineering streams like electrical engineering or mechanical engineering. Or if you are someone who is interested in building or if you want to go for the civil engineering, and if you want someone who is interested for building things, you can go for the civil engineering. And along with that, many different stream of engineering is usually that is right now, I think if you will think about 10-20 years before, now we have different streams of engineering. So it really totally depends upon the person's interest. Okay, so the people those who are interested to go for the computer science engineering or IT engineering, they should love working with computers and not get bored with it. So this is my few important tips, and I think this is very important nowadays to make right decisions, because your stream is going to uh, this is going to be your working area in the future, so you need to understand the topic. And basically you should love engineering. It is nothing like that only because of, for the sake of job you can go for the engineering, or you should go for the engineering. But instead of that, you should love engineering, so that you will be able to understand that yes, this is the right path for me in which I should work on. So this is about today's video, and share it among your friends if you find this video useful. Goodbye.